guys, how's it going? And welcome to the episode number 1 of the eFootball PES 2021 Road to Glory. So now, actually, as it has released today only, so there is a lot of traffic on the servers, so it can lag a bit. So if you enjoy the video, please drop a like and also subscribe to the channel. We are on our way to 50 subscribers. Let's reach there as soon as possible. So now if you look at it, I'm gonna play one event match, like one campaign match with my team, and we're gonna play one online match, and I'm gonna show you all how to do fake shot on eFootball PES 2021. So it's a big episode lined up. Let's get started with it. So before we get started, this is the team I have got. So as you get an initial black ball, I've got Dries Mertens. So he's obviously a good player, Dries Mertens. He is absolutely a great player to have in your team. Some of his stats are amazing. He's a very good player. So yeah, we have got him couple of silvers and others are white balls. So yeah, first of all, let's get into the fake shot tutorial. So first I'll be showing you the fake shot in like fast motion. So here it goes. It comes back to Mertens and then boom, you can see that. Then again Mertens, boom, he turns away, goes for the shot, doesn't, and now he hits it. So guys, as you can see, oh my days, this thing, it's atrocious. So guys, now you see, now he does the fake shot, he turns, then he again goes for the fake shot, he turns. So now when you are doing the fake shot, first of all you have to select the direction in which you want to do the fake shot. Okay, when you select the direction, then do this and bring the cursor back, and when the cursor is at normality, like it is like this, how it is now, at that point of time, tap on the shoot button like this and tap. So simultaneously at the same point of time, you have to tap on this, and it has to be stable, it has to be still, and like this, and on the shoot button. So now he does the fake shot, then look at this, he does it again, and now goal. Okay, so that was a fake shot tutorial. Let's move on to the campaign match. Guys, our first online match, and we have got this team against us. So I only recognize two players in this team. One is Thiago Alcantara and the other one is Sergio Romero in goal. So I think we can beat them. Let's go for it. So guys, as it is Road to Glory, so this series we're gonna do until we have a God level team. So expect a lot of things to be done off cam, like lot of matches to be played off cam, and yeah, obviously pack openings and all I will show you, but lot of matches could be played off cam. And this is my first game with this team. I played a game in the com mode with Barcelona, so this is my first win with this, and I haven't scored a goal yet on PES. Here goes Roca, here goes Bassania, I don't know any one of them, legit. And here goes Dries Mertens, Kerk has scored my first goal. Kerk is the man who has scored my first goal on eFootball PES 2021. Kerk, remember the name. Well, he might be sold early, but remember his name, Kerk. I wanted it to be Dries Mertens, but anyway, you take goals when they come, eh? De La Fanta, he has Manas on the back foot. Manas trying to recover. Oh, Manas has slipped. De La Fanta continuing his run. Defender does well there, Bassania. And here goes Dries Mertens. Running around the defense. It's too easy for Mertens. It's too easy. Oh man, I think it isn't too easy. Which kit number is Mertens wearing? He's wearing 8. Nah. He has to wear 7 or 10. We'll give him number 7. Dries Mertens. He has to wear either 7 or 10. We'll give him 7. You know, that number written on that Arsenal t-shirt is absolutely amazing, you know. And it's for Mertens. Mertens can have it again. Dries Mertens Finishes it. Oh my days. Dries Mertens finished that one. Trying to get it into the bottom corner. You'll see it better from this one. Oh my days. Sergio Romero in goal. So now Dries Mertens to put in the cross. Oh, that's a whipping one. To Roca. I don't think we have good headers. Sliding tackle, and that's maybe a yellow. Okay, that's yellow. Like when you have shoot and slide on the same one and it changes continuously, especially during corners, it's very tough to understand. So yeah, we get a yellow. I'm not too moved by that. Oh, Veselic. Veselic does well there. To Kerk, the first ever scorer. Here goes Dries Mertens. Here goes Dries Mertens running through. Oh my days. I've been playing a lot of FIFA of late. You can probably get it by that. Like in PES, the shooting system is very tough. And when I went to FIFA, my all the shots were so low powered, and now it's like the system is completely different in PES and FIFA, and that's why it's very tough to play both of them at the same time. That is a risky pass. Managed to Kerk, the scorer of her first ever goal, to Roca. Comes in between is Thiago Alcantara to Soric, and that's out. Lefonta. Like they haven't changed many things. They've only changed, I think so, the scoreboard color and they've added a few colors which you'll see at halftime. But here is Dries Mertens. Dries Mertens running through. Dries Mertens, and again that is a FIFA finish. FIFA. I still have FIFA in my head. Like, your hands get accustomed to such kinds of finishes. That's why it's like so tough to play FIFA and PES at the same time. But on this channel, I'm gonna be doing that FIFA 21 career mode. I'm gonna be doing. Well, which team you'll come to know soon. But I'm gonna be doing it, and we're gonna be playing PES 2020 Road to Glory. So expect a lot of content to come in November start. This channel is gonna be full with content. As here is Roca, nice save from a white ball keeper. Keep it in Kerk. That wasn't too good from Kerk. So now you see at the corners at UA badge and Arsenal badge. You see this. This is good. This is good. But obviously they are doing that. Yeah, they have done this season update, so they have said it is in the official game because of the situation worldwide. But FIFA have come up with a very good game. Hopefully it's good on Android. Career mode is gonna be there as confirmation given. 2nd November it's gonna launch career mode. 95% is gonna be there. So it will be very good for us. As here I play a long ball to Kerk, Hussein Mertens, Dries Mertens. Here goes Dries Mertens. Finishes it. Dries Mertens with a wonderful finish shot on his weaker left foot. Dries Mertens, you look at it. He finished it with his left foot. Dries Mertens, what a player. Dries Mertens, just give me a second. Oh my days, celebrating that goal, my headphone got disconnected. I'll be back. So I am back. Dries Mertens scored that wonderful goal. I really like that finish shot. For my first finish shot goal in eFootball PES 2021. Oh my goodness, Thiago Alcantara. They have one black ball. I also have one black ball. Dries Mertens. He can run through. Dries Mertens is running through. Here goes Dries Mertens against Sergio Romero, and Romero has made the save. My finishing is honestly terrible at this currently, guys, because obviously, now should I even put a ball in, because I don't have. Now Mertens, come on side. Mertens is on side. Here goes Dries Mertens. Again a FIFA finish. I am so rusty on PES. So rusty. Come on. Hettich has the ball. Now Manis takes it off him, and here goes Dries Merton. Now this time I have to finish it. This time I'm gonna finish it. Again a FIFA finish. Guys, my hands are accustomed now to the FIFA finishes. Oh my god. 1 month I haven't been playing PES, so it's very tough, I learned the PES finish very difficultly. And here goes Mertens. Finishes it. Mertens finish shots are wonderful. And I think with Mertens I have to do finish, because power shots I just bottle them. His finish shots are amazing. Dries Mertens. He's a very good first goal. The only downgrade with Mertens is maybe that he's 32, 33, 32? Yeah, I think he's that much only. So his room for improvement isn't that good. Like, his room for improvement, his max OVR is almost 87, 80, max 88. That isn't a good thing, but anyway, I think Mertens is gonna be in my team for around 2 months, 3 months. What are we doing? This is Man United defending. Here is Zenelli. It's Dries Mertens. My mate is wide open. Kerk, the guy who scored our first goal. Can he find Mertens? Oh, he has found Mertens. I'm going for the finish shot. Top bins. Absolute top bins from Dries Mertens. He finished that home. What a finish shot from Dries Mertens. Guys, I am thinking of just hitting finish shots with Mertens. Like, because all the other times I go for it and I just fail terribly. Absolutely terribly. You have seen how bad finishes do I have. So I think finish shot with Mertens is my best way. Hopefully we soon get a winger who can finish it too. Like Weislage clears it up. It's to Thiago Alcantara. There will be no shame in conceding our first goal to Thiago Alcantara. Now here is Dries Mertens. Let's go Dries. Let's get a hat-trick. For ya, Dries Mertens. Let's get a hat-trick for ya. I'm gonna finish this one. It was the wrong choice completely. But I am not confident enough, guys. I'm not confident enough that I'll pull off a non-finish shot with Mertens. But now, come on, PES. I had that one. So yeah, guys, first game over. Let's go to the second one. So guys, as you all know, this is, I messed up with that one. But like, this is just the start of FIFA, like the start of PES. So I thought to get some free kicks practice in. So why not with Dries Mertens? That was terrible because I forgot to move it. Let's do it in the position where Dries Mertens loves it. That's this one. He has an absolute curler of an effort, Dries Mertens. Now let's go. Oh, I know that PES. I know that. Okay, PES. Oh, play. Okay, now. Mertens. That's not a good one. That's a ball from Dries Mertens, of course. Let's go again. Why am I hitting so terrible? Free kicks. I need to concentrate now. I at least want to score one. Let's try some practices with Mertens. Again. I think let's put it a bit behind so that he can get that curl perfectly. I'm looking to avoid the wall. I think this is a good one. Oh my goodness, Dries Mertens. Dries Mertens. His curlers are so good. Now this is his angle. Straight at the keeper. I'm so terrible at these. Come on, guys. This has to be it. This is it. Come on. Dries Mertens. What a free kick. Last free kick we'll take. And we'll end it for the episode. Let's go. Mertens. So guys, this is it for me. If you enjoyed the video, please drop a big old like, subscribe to the channel. We are on 45 currently as of what I'm recording. Let's get to the 50 mark, and yeah, still 85% of you unsubscribed to the channel. So please do subscribe. Like, hit a finish shot to that subscribe button as Mertens hit it to the top bench today. Let's go. And guys, I'm gonna be making progress off cam, so don't be surprised if you see a couple of new additions to my team. So let's get started. We have started with a win in our road to glory. Hopefully we can continue it in the future.